YouTube was good though. I know it is, man. It's 14K, JoshAyy. We back with another one, like I told you we would be. So look, I got some questions for y'all. I know y'all love when I give y'all questions to ask somebody on a date or FaceTime or even through text message. The good thing about these questions is it'll take you deeper into conversation. You know, you'll spend 30 minutes to an hour on one question before you even ask the other questions I put in the video. I already know it's gonna work good for you, you know, because I done tried these out myself. But I still want to know what y'all think. All right. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to this work, man. Question number one. If I'm talking to somebody, I'm gonna ask them, what is one thing that most people in the world love that you think is overrated? See, if somebody asks me this question, I'm gonna say Chipotle. I done had a lot of people try to charge me up over Chipotle, but I just can't get with it, dog. Like, it's nasty, bro. I tried it one time and it's just nasty. So yeah, that's gonna bring on debate. And like I told y'all before, debating is a good thing. As long as, you know, nobody get hot-headed, start, you know what I'm saying, talking crazy, then it's cool. Debate, you know, have some verbal sparring. Bro, all that is good, bro. That's how you build chemistry. Question number two. Everybody loves talking about the shows they watch, right? So ask a person, what is the last show that you binge watched? Okay? Now this question here, bro, whenever you talk about shows, that conversation can go on and on and on and on and on. See, me, the last show I binge watched was Money Heist. So if the person I'm talking to, if they haven't seen Money Heist, they're going to ask me about it. And then I'm going to tell them how good it is. Then I'm going to ask them what show they like. They're going to tell me if I haven't watched it, do the same thing. Then that might stem to a whole nother conversation still talking about shows. I'm going to ask her what's her favorite shows. Then she going to tell me. And if she ain't got Power or Snowfall in there, oh yeah, I'm finna be talking my trash, bro. Then we going to compare and contrast our list. I got my favorite shows. She got her favorite shows. And now just imagine if Power my favorite show and Power her favorite show. Then we might just get into quoting favorite parts of the show or discussing major things that happened in the show. Like, bro, we still talking about shows and it all stemmed from that one question. What is the last show you binge watched? And the good thing about talking about shows is if y'all like the same shows, you can use that to set up future dates. Use the conversation to set up follow-up dates. So like if her favorite show is Snowfall and Snowfall one of my favorite shows too, then when the new season come out, that's something that we can watch together. You know, a little Netflix and chilling and all that. We can do that. Or even if we don't watch it together, it's something we can talk about on the phone or on another date. We can discuss that show. Cause I'm gonna ask you, when I see you, I'm gonna ask you, oh, you see the new episode of Snowfall, right? And then when she say, yeah, we're gonna discuss it. And we're gonna talk about how Uncle Jerome and Auntie Louie did my boy Franklin St. Wrong. See? Use this to go deeper. And when you go deeper, man, it's just gonna flow naturally. You're gonna learn so much about that person because y'all went down a rabbit hole. Y'all only hit one question, but y'all been talking for about an hour, hour and a half. Think about that. One question, and y'all talking for about an hour, bro. I'm gonna give y'all one more question on this one. I want you to ask the person that you're talking to, if you're in a bad mood, do you prefer to be left alone or would you want someone to cheer you up? See, now you learn how to deal with this person. Because ain't nothing worse than you dealing with somebody in a bad mood, which we all have bad moods, but you dealing with somebody in a bad mood and you try to cheer them up, but they prefer to be left alone. That's going to make you feel like, damn, I'm trying and you don't appreciate me trying. But when y'all got that understanding, especially early, when y'all got that understanding, it'll make everything down the line go so much smoother. And that's what it's all about. Communicate effectively, ask questions, ask the hard questions, you know. Don't discuss the problems when they become problems. Discuss it before it's a problem. That way you can get an accurate answer when there's no emotion involved. But that's all for today. I'm going to get more into that another day. If y'all like the video, then hit the like button for me. If you didn't like the video, then hit the dislike button for me. It don't even matter. And I'll catch y'all next time, all right? Peace.
Don't know why I'm still a playboy.